How to renew your Wells Fargo debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can renew your Wells Fargo debit card. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually renew your Wells Fargo debit card online. First of all, what you need to do is you need to check the expiry date on your current Wells Fargo debit card. So typically, credit card or debit card are valid for 2 to 3 years and expiry date are printed on the front of the card. And in many cases, Wells Fargo will automatically send you a new debit card few weeks before your current card expires. This is to inform that you have seamlessly transaction and continue to access your fund without interruption. Keep an eye on your mailbox from any mail from your Wells Fargo. So if you haven't received a new debit card near the expiration date, or if you have misplaced a new card, it's best to contact Wells Fargo credit card service for assistance. So you may reach out to them through a phone call, online banking, or visiting a branch nearby. For the security reason, Wells Fargo may ask you to verify your identity before sending a new card or make any changes to your account. So be prepared to provide personal information to confirm your identity. During the renewal process, you may also have the option to customize your debit card with different kinds of photos or logos, whatever. However, if none of these seems to be helpful, what else you can do is you can simply apply for a new credit card. For that, you need to visit our official website of Wells Fargo. After that, you'll be taken to this page, and once you're on this page, click on credit card, which is right on top. After that, you'll be able to find multiple credit cards available on Wells Fargo. You just tap on the credit card that you would like to apply. After that, you can go through the information regarding the particular card and click on the Apply Now button. Once you've done that, on the other interface, you'll be asked to provide in the information. And after you're done providing the information, you'll be able to get a notification stating that the application has been successfully submitted, and all you have to do is wait patiently until you get a hold of your new credit card. In this way, you can renew your Wells Fargo credit card. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.